Did you know that a human gave birth to the first cat? Just kidding. But in today's video, we're gonna be looking at animal facts you didn't know. 86% knew this. Jellyfish are mostly water. Yeah, I still don't understand jellyfish, guys. They don't even look like they're alive, but they're alive and they don't even die. Apparently, learned that in my last video, they don't even die. If you guys haven't watched that video, make sure to click the link in the description down below and watch that after this. But while you're down there, smash that like button. Actually, go down and smash that like button right now. Thank you. Birds don't pee? Really? They just poop everywhere? My girlfriend got pooped on when we were in Rome. Sharks don't have bones. Okay. Elephants can't jump. Well, I didn't know that, but it makes sense because they're so heavy. Horses sleep while standing up. I did know. Did I? They could lay down. Why don't they just lay down? Adult cats only meow at humans. Oh. Bats only mammals that can fly. Oh, good grammar. It's the only mammal that can fly. Why am I thinking as if I'm trying to think of another animal that's a mammal that can fly when they're telling me that this is the only mammal that can fly? Anteaters have no teeth. That's why they eat ants. Elephants mourn their death. Aw, poor elephants. Kangaroos can't walk backwards. Yeah, but kangaroos don't need to walk backwards. They could jump. Well, I could jump too, but they could bounce. And they have a cool little pouch. Octopuses have 3 hearts. I think I knew that, but I don't understand that. How do you have 3 hearts? And why do you need 3 hearts? I guess if one has a heart attack, they got 2 more. Small animals see in slow motion. What? You're telling me a mosquito sees my hand about to swat it in slow motion, huh? Squirrels can't burp or vomit. This is why they're extra picky about their food. Don't they only eat like nuts? Cows have best friends. When paired with their best friend, the cow's heart rates are significantly lower. Oh, I was about to say, how the heck do you know if a cow has a best friend? Yeah, heart rate lowers. Sharks existed before trees. Oh yeah? Who knew that? Huh? Who knew that? Who was alive back then and is still alive and telling us that, huh? Male seahorses give birth. Crows can hold grudges. You know, I didn't know that, but I suspected that. Crows look like they would hold grudges. Sheep can recognize faces. Oh, that's it. I'm gonna pet sheep. Goats have accents. No, they don't. Goats can change their accent when they move to a different group. So what? Do they go from bah to bah? Wait, can we do a British bah? Bah. What about a French one? Bah. Oh, I see. I see. Koalas have unique fingerprints. Don't we all? Penguins propose with pebbles. Aww. Penguins are literally one of my favorite animals. They're so cute. Like, who doesn't love a penguin? After this video, I'm gonna search up a penguin proposal. The armadillo is bulletproof. Really? Ants carry 50 times their weight. Ants are strong. Well, I guess they only weigh like what? 1 gram? They could carry 50 grams. Oh wow, they could carry like a feather. Just kidding, a feather's probably only like 5 grams, I don't know. Male lions sleep up to 20 hours a day. I think that's what cats do too, don't they? Mantis shrimp punch is like a bullet. And that's another reason why the ocean is scary. Blue whale heart is the size of a car. What? Boom, 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 boom. Some worms can jump. Oh yeah, I wanna see that. How is a worm supposed to jump? Like this? I guess. Pandas spend 14 to 16 hours a day eating. About 99 of its food consists of bamboo. Okay, you know, I can see them just on that bamboo. But we should not get full. Platypus is venomous. Really? Harry the platypus is venomous? Kangaroos can't fart. But, you know, I don't think I need to know that, guys. I could have went my whole life and I didn't need to know that. But you know what? That's kind of cool. Kangaroos can't fart. So what? Do they poop? Some lizards can run on water. Okay, that's sick. I want to see that. I want to see a worm jumping and a lizard running. Not just running on water. Electric eels can generate 600 volts. You know, I'm going to get a pet eel that can power my whole house. Crabs can regrow lost legs. Wait, so what if I get a pet crab? Cut off its legs, eat them. It regenerates. Cut them off again, eat them. It Guys, never-ending food source. Wait, do you even eat crab legs? Or do you even eat crabs? Surely, right? Or is that just a lobster? I don't even know, guys. Ostriches run faster than horses. That's fast. Only female mosquitoes bite. Oh, male anglerfish fuse with the female? Huh? Males attach themselves to females, becoming a permanent part of them? What? Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Okay, that's kind of gross, but I want to see that. How does a cube come out of an animal? That's crazy. Ants have 2 stomachs. Oh, that's why they're like, oh, you guys know what I mean. And then the head. Elephants are afraid of bees. Why? Even the smell of bees has the power to repel elephants. That's crazy. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Huh? Giraffes have black tongues. Cheetahs can't roar. Cheetahs belong to the purring cats. Oh, so what do they do? Just... Camels store fat in their humps. A common misconception is that camels store water in their humps, but they store fat. Interesting. Tigers have striped skin. Oh, even their skin? If you shave it, it would still be striped. I want to see a picture. If we have a picture, plop it up. You guys are going to see before me. Actually, no, you guys aren't, because after this video, I'm going to go search it up. So technically, I saw it before you. Actually, I'm probably going to forget. Because what? We're like, what? Click the screen, guys. Are we halfway through the video? If we are, I most likely forgot. But now is my time to make sure you guys hit that like button. While you guys are already tapping out of the screen, hit that like button. Let's continue. Platypuses don't have stomach. They don't have stomachs and they're venomous. Interesting. Cats have whiskers on their legs. They do? My girlfriend has 2 cats living with me, and I don't know if I've ever noticed that. And I just saw 2 more cats today because we were feeding my friend's cats. Interesting. Snails have thousands of teeth. Roaches can survive decapitation. Yeah, I knew that one. Decapitation. Crazy. Those things do not need that superpower. Those things are scary enough. And on top of that, they don't die. Come on. They're not scary. They're just nasty. One time I was in Texas. We were eating at a restaurant and I looked behind me and there's a cockroach on the wall. In a restaurant while we're eating. Mantis shrimp has 16 color receptors. Butterflies drink tears. Aw. Dogs can smell time. Oh, really? They could smell the time? It's 5 o'clock. 5:45. Really? Hairworm controls insect minds. They take control of their host's brain and drive it to end its own life. That's crazy. That's like some horror movie stuff. Polar bears have black skin. Oh. Goldfish remember for months. No. Isn't that a thing? You have the memory of a goldfish? Wouldn't you think they wouldn't be able to remember for months? Like there's some things I can't remember from months ago. Or is it like they remember things for months, like a face, and then they forget? Like if you go up to it after a month, they'll be like, who the heck are you? Maybe that's why. I don't know. Flamingos get their color from their diet. Flamingos and shrimp are pink from eating algae that contains carotenoid pigments. I want to eat that thing. I want to turn pink. Actually, I'm already pink. I'm so pale. I need some sun, guys, but it's almost winter. Owl can turn its head 270 degrees. I knew that. Penguins mate for life. Crows can use tools. What do you mean they could use tools? They create and use tools to retrieve food from hard-to-reach places. What do you mean they use tools? They like create a hammer and hammer something open? Albatrosses can sleep while flying. How do you sleep and fly? Is that why some birds hit vehicles and windows because they're sleeping? Ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. Huh? I saw an ostrich when I was in Africa. Well, multiple. We went to an ostrich farm. I swear their eyes are only like this big. Their eyeballs measure 2 inches across and are about the size of a billiard ball. Wait, huh? Okay, maybe they're bigger than I thought. Lizards can shoot blood from eyes. Moles can smell underwater. How do you smell underwater when there's water? If I try to smell underwater, some snails have hairy shells. Giraffes hum to communicate. An octopus has 9 brains. They got 3 hearts, 9 brains? What else do they have? Trillion tentacles. Wild chimps like to drink. Drink what? A study recorded chimps using leaves to drink fermented palm sap. I'm confused. Dolphins can be pink. I want to see a pink dolphin. Lobsters pee out of their faces. Okay, and that, my friends, is where I will never eat a lobster again. Llamas were used as lawnmowers. Oh, their grazing helps preserve and prevent the overgrowth of vegetation. Oh, just from them walking around, they like pat it down. Okay, I get it. I was like, what do you mean? Like, axolotl never grows up. They never technically reach adulthood, even though they can reproduce. Rats laugh when tickled. I want to go tickle a rat. I can imagine it, guys. I want to see it in real life. Sea sponges are immortal. Yeah, I kind of figured that. I really don't understand how they're living because they just sit there and do nothing. They don't have an eye. They don't have a mouth. They just are there. Turkeys can blush. Reindeer eyeballs turn blue in winter. Cicadas stay buried for 17 years. What's a cicada? Starfish have no brain. Again, how is a starfish living? Actually, guys, let's put up a video. I want to show you guys. When I was in Toronto like 2 weeks ago, I saw a starfish moving for the first time. Look at their little legs. Did you guys know starfishes move like this? Like, this is crazy to me. Hundreds of little legs moving them. That's crazy. Clownfish are born male. Moths can smell from miles away. They can also see light from miles away, and they're super annoying. Owls don't have eyeballs. What do they have? They have eye tubes or cylinders that can't move like eyeballs. Oh, snails can sleep for years. Yeah, they just slither up in their shell. Ducks have waterproof feathers. Oh, even when a duck dives, its downy underlayer of feathers remains completely dry. Downy? Is that why it's... What's the dish soap? Is it not downy? Or is it down? Dove? Down? I don't even know. But if you know what I'm talking about, my editor, please put it up on screen. Caterpillars have 12 eyes. They can see more than 360. Glass frogs have transparent skin. Otters hold hands while sleeping. Aw, that's so cute. Sea star has no blood. Has no brain, no blood, but somehow it moves. Lyre bird can mimic almost any sound. Male giraffes taste female urine. They savor female urine to see if she's ready to mate. Beavers have transparent eyelids. Really? Frogs can freeze and survive. A partial frozen frog will stop breathing and its heart will stop beating. How does it stay alive then? If its heart stops breathing. Elephant recognizes itself in a mirror. Can't they all recognize themselves in a mirror? I thought that was pretty standard. Actually, now that I think about it though, when the cat looks at itself in the mirror, it's like, what the heck? Like, yeah. Colossus penguin, oh, the one with the, put up an image, was LeBron's height. Oh, they're that tall? Oh, penguins are kind of scary now, actually. Ravens can solve complex puzzles. You know, ravens seem a little smart to me. A rhino's horn is made of hair. How's a... What? What? Nah. Killer whales are actually dolphins. Oh, they look like a whale and a dolphin. They look pretty cool, I do admit. Ducks sleep with one eye open. You never know, guys. You never know what's around. Hippopotamus. Sorry, I thought it was some creature I've never heard of. Hippopotamus milk is pink. I want some of that. Capuchin monkey washes its food. Well, monkeys are almost human, so if it's dirty, I would wash my food too. Bees communicate by dancing? Like what? Yes, guys, this is a needle if you just saw it in my hand. I've been squeezing it. Crocodiles eat stones to aid digestion. How is that tasty? And finally, pigeons can do math. Why would they need to do math? They can't talk. Pigeons don't need to do math. Do they just go to like a school window and be like, oh yeah, that's like, yeah, I know the answer to that. Why would a pigeon need to do math? But anyway, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to slap that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.